Next, more methods of finding HCF, highest common factor. Still some more methods are there to find the highest common factor. First method is finding HCF by prime factorization. Finding HCF by prime factorization. Prime factorization already we saw already. Now we will see how we can find the HCF by prime factorization. I will take three numbers 72 and 64 and 48. Okay, for 72 let us find 72 prime factorization how 2 times. Okay, 2 times 36, again 2 18, 2 9 times 3 and 3. Okay, next one is 64. Next 2 32, 2 16 times 2 2 8 times 2 4 times 2 times. Next one 48. 2 24 times 2 12 times 2 6 times 2 3 times. Okay, now this is the way to find the prime factorization. This is called prime factorization. Next we will find the HCF. How? For 72, what is there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next for 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next for 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. By this, how can we find the HCF? Simple. Now see what are the common prime factorizations are there? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Again there is 2, 2, 2. Other than this, is there anything same? No, 3 not here. Then 3, one more 3 is not there. So only this much only. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is the HCF of 72, 64 and 48. This is how we have to find the HCF by using the prime factorization. Once again I will explain the same. How I am going to find HCF for 72, 64 and 48 means first we have to find the prime factorization. 2 times 36, 2 times 18, 2 times 9 and 3 times 9. Next, like same only I have find the prime factorization method. Then you list all the prime factors here. You list all the prime factors here. 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Next we have to find the common prime factors. How many? 3 2's are there. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 is the highest common factor. Now this is how we have to find 8 is the HCF. Okay, 8 is the HCF. This is how we have to find the HCF by using the prime factorization. Next, one more example we will see from this method only. Next number is 98 and 112. 112 for 98. 2 times 4. Then how many times it will come? 4 times. Then how many times it will come? 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Next one is 112. Here. Next we will see 112. 2 times 56. 2 times how many times? 2. Here carry 1, 16, 8, 28. 2 times here how many times? 14. 2 times 7. So that's all. This is prime factorization. Now list out. 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Next, 112. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Now here you see, what is the common prime factorization here? 2. Then 7. That's all. 2 and 7. So it is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14 is the HCF. 14 is the HCF of 98 and 112. This is how, like this only you have to find the HCF by using the prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Then we will go for the next method. Next method is HCF by common factors, by using the division by using the common factors. By common factor. For example, now we will take 20 and 28 and 36. How is the common factor method? Means simple, very simple, one of the very simple method. Now go like this method: 20, 28 and 36. If you take a number, it has to be divided equally for all the number. You will take first 2, 10 times, 14 times and 18 times. Again you can divide with 2, 5 times, 7 times, 9 times. That's all. 5 a prime number came and 7 a prime number came. So you cannot divide more than this. So is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 is the HCF. 4 is the HCF of 20, 28 and 36. 20, 28 and 36. This is how, like this only you have to find that by using division by common factor method. Division by common factor method. Nothing. First you list out all these 3 numbers. Then you divide with a common divisible factor. Which one it can divide 3 numbers? 2. Because all numbers are even numbers. So go with 2. 10, 14, 18. Again you go with 2. 5, 7, 9. 5 and 7 is prime number. Hereafter you cannot go. So 2 into 2 is equal to 14. 14 is the HCF of the number. 14 is the HCF of this given number. That's how very simple it is. Okay. One more example also we will see.